Let's unbox this steering wheel trim kit. Inside, you'll find the upper and lower trim pieces. A small V-shaped piece. Trim covers for the multifunction buttons. A horn trim piece and an adhesion promoter. Now let's get it installed. Start with the lower trim. Line it up with the bottom of the steering wheel and snap it into place. Do the same for the upper trim piece. Next, grab the V-shaped trim. Peel off the backing tape. Line it up with the V area on your steering wheel and press it down firmly to secure it. The multifunction button trims go on the same way. Peel off the backing. Align carefully over each button and press them into place. Make sure both sides are even and the buttons still work smoothly. Finally, take the horn trim piece. Peel off the film. Align it right over the horn area. Press it down. And then remove the protective film on the front. And that's it. Your new steering wheel trim kit is fully installed, and your Tesla's interior looks way more premium now.